This is our video on this very nice red Mitsubishi Colt CZT. What year is it, Jason, this one?
56.
56 plate. Okay, so it's a stage 2 car. So important mods are as follows. We've got a Xtreme stage 2 clutch and flywheel. We've got a Dynodaze 4-branch manifold. Induction kit, 4-jar S valve. We've got a Ecutek front mount intercooler in stealth black. We've got a full Scorpion exhaust system with decats, double decats. We're using pink Denso injectors, 550 cc's. Ecutek software,
3-port boost solenoid.
3-port boost solenoid. Actuator? No, stock actuator. Yeah. Okay. We're running JP Racing wheels, alloys. Used to be on another Colt that we know. We're running Dynodaze brakes. What else is there, Jason?
Yellow speed coilovers.
Yellow speed coilovers. Handles very well, so I'm told. Jason doesn't go softly on this thing. Full leather interior. Nice car. Let's see what power she makes. We've finished mapping it now, so we know what power it makes, but we're going to do a run and we're going to show you guys. We'll show you guys the printout. If you've got any questions, then obviously blast them in the comments below. If you fancy it, drop us a thumbs up. If you want to subscribe, be my guest. If you've got any questions, I will come back to you. So comment away and I'll comment back. Thanks, everyone. It's actually clean, Jason.
It's not.
Is it not? It looks clean in this video, mate. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Good lad. Oh, there's a pretty strong graph, isn't it, everyone? Some good curves there, plenty of power underneath that line. And that's 224 brake horsepower and 244 foot-pound of torque. Now, as you can see there, it's just underneath the 250 limit for the foot-pound, because obviously the standard rods will only take 250 foot-pound. So, yeah, beautiful result. Nice car, fast car. Certainly shows up a lot of bigger cars. Like and subscribe, everyone. Thanks. Are you happy then?
Maybe. 213.6.
Are you happy?
Very happy.
Very happy,
Very happy.
Good, good. Well, there you go. Another stage 2 Colt completed. This one's Jason. You know Jason.
Shalom.
Shalom, Jason. Yeah, well done. Well done, everyone. Good stuff.